Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today's card is the Easter Friends, and also the Stripes and Splatters 3D embossing folders. I'm going to be using the stripes for this one. All the supplies are listed below in the description. Sit back, relax, enjoy the music. Let's get to making a card. There you have it, a cute little Easter card to send to somebody. He is so cute. I used the butterfly brush butterfly to embellish it. used the technique of putting the ink on the one side of the embossing folder and then squishing it, decorated the inside and the envelope. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.